My dear friends, welcome to my channel, The Prep Journal IS. Here are few questions related to today the Hindu newspaper. And the first is this question: ED issued notice to Kerala CM in KIFC Masala Bond probe. And the question is with reference to Masala bonds, consider the following statements. They are rupee denominated bonds issued in foreign markets. Yes, this is correct. The standard definition of masala bond is that these are rupees denominated bonds which is issued in foreign markets. It has been clearly written in the Hindu articles, rupees denominated bonds used to. Okay. Second, they protect Indian issuers from currency fluctuation risk. The primary advantage of masala bond is that they protect the consumer for the currency fluctuation risk. क्यों? क्योंकि रीज़न इसलिए है कि मसाला बॉन्ड का जो पेमेंट होता है ना, वो जो इंटरेस्ट रेट और प्रिंसिपल्स का जो कैलकुलेशन और पेमेंट होता है लेटर, वो रुपीज़ में कैलकुलेट होता है, ना कि वो फॉरेन करेंसी में. इसलिए ये करेंसी फ्लक्चुएशन रिस्क से सेव करता है और रुपीज़ को स्टेबलाइजेशन होने में भी हेल्प करता है. थर्ड, द प्रोसीड्स फ्रॉम मसाला बोर्ड्स कैन बी फ्रीली यूज्ड फॉर परचेजिंग लैंड इन इंडिया. There is a clear guidelines by the RBI that the proceeds from the masala bonds cannot be used for purchase of land, real estate and investment in capital market. जैसे शेयर व बॉन्ड्स में आप उसे यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं clearly. And that was the controversy around this news, that the Kerala infrastructure bonds which has raised fund via masala bond, they used that fund to buy lands, and that's why ED had summoned Kerala CM. And the answer of this question is 3 is incorrect, the 1 and 2 1. Second is with reference to CBI jurisdiction, consider the following. This was associated with this news. Supreme Court gives CBI free hand to stop digital arrest scam. This was extraordinary judicial announcement that the Supreme Court given CBI pan India to investigate digital arrest scam. CBI requires consent from a state government to investigate offences within the state. Pala statement. Yeah, there is a section C of the act requires that the CBI has to take consent to investigate in any particular state, and if the state does not give consent, then CBI cannot investigate in that state. So CBI requires consent from the state to investigate in that. Second, Supreme Court can permit CBI to investigate a case without state consent in exceptional situation. Yeah, this is correct. This was the reason behind this, that the in exceptional circumstances Supreme Court gave CBI free hand to arrest digital arrest pan India anywhere in the country, and in this case CBI has to does not mandatory to take consent from the state. Third, CBI derives its power from the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946. Yeah, this is also correct, that the CBI derives power from the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act. This is prelims, that this act gives the power to the CBI, and under section of 6 of this act, CBI has to take consent from the state. So in this case question, C, all the correct. Consider the following effect of antimicrobial resistance. First, increased mortality rate from common infection. Effect of antimicrobial resistance. एंटीमाइक्रोबायल रेसिस्टेंस का इफेक्ट होता क्या है? पहला होता है कि मोर्टेलिटी रेट फ्रॉम कॉमन इन्फेक्शन इंक्रीज हो जाता है. यस, जब इन्फेक्शन का या बैक्टीरिया का, फंगस का रेसिस्टेंस किसी भी ड्रग्स से बढ़ जाएगा, उससे इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, तो ऑफ कोर्स उस डिजीज़ का इम्पैक्ट होगा और मोर्टेलिटी रेट इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. दिस इज करेक्ट. सेकेंड, इंक्रीज्ड कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट. जब किसी पेशेंट्स पे उस दवा का इफेक्ट नहीं होगा तो और ज़्यादा उसका उसका डिजीज सही से समय पर सही नहीं होगा, उसे लंबा समय लगेगा ठीक होने में, तो कॉस्ट ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट भी इंक्रीज होगा. इंक्रीज इफेक्टिवनेस ऑफ द एंटीबायोटिक. एंटीबायोटिक का इफेक्टिवनेस इंक्रीज होगा. ये तो टोटली अपोजिट है, क्योंकि एंटीबायोटिक का इफेक्ट ही नलीफाई हो जाता है या डिक्रीज हो जाता है. दिस वाज द सोल इशूज, द 3, 1 and 2. With reference to Heron Mk2 UAV, consider the following statement. Heron Mk2 UAV. This was in the news. Heron Mk2 UAV. First, it is a medium altitude long endurance UAV. Second, it is capable of beyond visual line of sight operations using satellite communication. It has been indigenously designed and manufactured by DRDO. In this case, all the options correct. No, sorry, 3. This is not manufactured by DRDO. It is manufactured by Israel Aerospace Industries. Israel Aerospace Industries. And this was in the news because India has ordered additional order even of this UAV on emergency under emergency procurement. That's why it was in the news. Next question, with reference to biological weapon convention, consider the following statement. First, it prohibits development, stockpiling and use of biological weapon. Yeah, this is correct. It has a strong verification mechanism similar to IA. This was a concern that our foreign minister raised, that there is a verification mechanism under the biological weapon convention is very weak, and this is the area of concern. India is a signatory to biological weapon convention. Yeah, India is signatory, and the 15th conference has been held in New Delhi under the theme of strengthening biosecurity for global south. Strengthening biosecurity for global south. This was the theme. Okay.